After the huge success of Asphalt 8 Airborne, Gameloft has released the new version of Asphalt Series, Asphalt 9 Legends in Philippines. And if you don't live in Philippines, then you won't be able to play it right now. But wait, there is an unofficial way to install this game on any Android device that supports the minimum system requirements. No matter in which country you live, by following this video you can easily enjoy this game on any of your Android devices. Excited? So let's get started. Before we get started, if you guys will find this video useful, then do consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you get notified for our future videos. Now you will have to download 3 things in order to install this game on your Android device. First one is the data zip file, second Asphalt 9 APK file, third ExpressVPN as it supports Philippines IP. All the download links will be in the description down below, so do check out. Step 1. After downloading all the required files, first extract the data zip file. Now copy this folder to OBB folder that you will find under the Android folder. Step 2. Install the APK file of Asphalt 9 and don't open it yet as it will not work right now. Step 3. Download and install the ExpressVPN and set the IP to Philippines. Now you're done. Simply open the Asphalt 9 app and go through the initial setup and enjoy this really amazing game, and no matter in which country you live, this method will surely work. The best part of this game is you're free to pick whichever dream car you want and then race around these streets. Gameloft are back and try to reclaim their throne. Fans of previous entry in the series may know what to expect from this upcoming sequel, but Asphalt 9 looks like it's throwing even more content, configurable option and crazily fast racing action into the mixer. And the first trailer of the game shows how stunning it looks in motion, while no worldwide release date has been specified as of yet. Beyond the aesthetic wonders, the most interesting feature for me in Asphalt 9 is the new touch drive control system. This input method promises to streamline streeting to let player focus on the fun of racing, which could be a huge benefit in terms of accessibility for gamers. Of course, there are questions over how this will balance online and to what degree Gameloft have taken control from the cockpit, but it's nice to have an additional streeting method beyond the traditional touch and tilt inputs. Over 50 cars featuring major manufacturers like Ferrari, Lamborghini and Porsche, 70 detailed track and promises of a full-fledged career mode also underline Asphalt 9's commitment to content. Asphalt 9 is already available on iOS and thousands of players have already been able to test. This new game has new cars, tracks and career mode. The game has more than 800 races in the story mode. In addition, it has the multiplayer mode and fast races. The gameplay does not seem to have changed much, although it is true that we have other animations when it comes to picking up the nitro, for example. There are also new graphics and cars, so we will have fun for a while with this delivery. There are much more realistic car games with better graphics, but Asphalt has that futuristic and fantastic touch that I like so much. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.